इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना।
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना।
इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना। हर तरफ जुल्म है, बेबसी है, सहमा सहमा सा हर आदमी है। पाप का बोझ बढ़ता ही जाए, जाने कैसे ये धरती थमी है। बोझ ममता का तू ये उठा ले, तेरी रचना का ये अंत होना। हम चले नेक रास्ते पे, हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना।
Poem of the day. Time is too slow for those who wait, too swift for those who fear, too long for those who grieve, too short for those who rejoice, but for those who love, time is eternity.
Everyone, this is Virajun, and today I am presenting the thought of the day. The thought is, everything is easy if you are crazy, and nothing will be easy if you are lazy.
An inspiration to many, known as Missile Man of India, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam contributed not only to science but also served as the 11th President of India and was widely regarded as the People's President. As an aerospace scientist, Kalam worked with India's two major space research organizations.
Good morning everyone, it's with great pride and honor I want to say a few words about the father of our nation, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi was born on October 2nd, 1869 at Porbandar, Gujarat. He was the son of the Chief Minister of Porbandar, Karamchand Gandhi, and his mother was Putlibai. He was raised in a very religious background, and that was the reason from the beginning itself he was taught about the importance of self-discipline and non-violence. At the age of 19, Gandhi left his home to study law in London. Time passed. In 1891, he started his law practice in Bombay court. As he found the success, he was approached to represent an Indian firm in South Africa.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा, जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे।